In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new document in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come over and click onto File and then click onto New. Now you're going to have all these presets here. So you can see here it's going to say welcome your name. Now we've got these presets, so we can put an A3 document in, A4, A5, a letter, etc. We'll scroll down and we've got all these different presets, so you can have a look at all these ones here. So you got photos, canvases, video and web. So if you like any one of these, so if I want to do a photo by 6" by 4". I'll click onto that and then click on create document, and then it's going to create me a new document like that. But what else we can do is come back, file, new, and then here to the right we've got document settings here. So this can create this preset, so we can change it here if we want. So we can edit the page width, height, the color format, color profile. We can make it transparent background. So say if I want to do a 500, so real custom 555 by 297. Now let's see if I can change this to 87. Yep. All right, and then the color format, I'm going to keep it RGB. Color profile, keep that. I want transparent backgrounds. You can add artboards if you want. Also, we got image placement, we've got preferred linked or embedded, we've got import text files as links, and we can make this multi-page, margins, bleed, drawing scale. Now from here, also at the top, we can go ahead and document units. So this can be millimeters, yards, feet, inches, pickers, points, but I'm just going to do, so if I want to do centimeters, so I want to do 55 by 28.7 centimeters. And now we can have the aspect locked if you want or not. Now from here, I'll go ahead and click on create document, and that's going to do that with that transparent background.